Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all had a very good week which has passed by. And let me just share my today's thought with you all. We have heard this so many times, especially on Instagram, YouTube shorts, or many people say, right? Do not depend on somebody else to create happiness for you. And some people have started implementing it as well. They are like uh, not trying to be like totally expecting something from somebody and you'll be happy, like this concept of self love is now gaining a popularity. uh, but there is this another side of a same thing, like whatever you see in another side of the same coin, and that is, do not take that responsibility of being a constant source of happiness for somebody else. You're constantly trying to keep somebody else happy. There are so many, I think probably it's more among women, that they're always trying to keep everyone happy around them, right? Probably many people are still being brought up in certain way, or they already been brought up in a way that you have to see that everyone is happy. Like, oh, there are some people, even in a particular family, there will be one person who is like more oriented towards keeping everyone happy in the family, trying to keep their behavior such that nobody is getting hurt. And when you take this load of trying to keep everyone at a very nice nice trying to keep everyone, making them feel good about you, somewhere slowly down the line you are like feeling that pressure of I have to behave in a certain way, I have to be in a certain way, and that certain way might not be something that you want to do for yourself, right? So another source of unhappiness for you could be you trying to be the source of happiness for others. Okay. So I recently came across somebody, who is like, okay, he's like totally being looked up in the family, like the responsible one, the one who's gonna do everything and this and that. And the moment the person doesn't do something, even one thing out of the 10 things, people are disappointed. People are like, you made me sad or whatever. This was not expected from you. All that stuff. And it's like, trying to keep hundreds of people happy and trying to be that good one. I'm not saying be a bad one, but somewhere down the line, we have to also think about what we are doing towards ourselves to keep ourselves happy. Some people are like, when they try to do this, they are also somewhere feeling guilty. Oh, though I am being happy, my relatives, whatever, this one, that one, whoever, spouse or children or whatever, parents, they are not happy with this. And I think that is also quite a wrong thing from a society or from whatever your near and dear ones. When they make you feel bad for something, when you have done something for yourself, which is something you wanted to do for yourself and you're feeling good about it, and these people, these so called your close people, are making you feel guilty about it. You did something for yourself, but we are not happy about it, so you cannot be happy about the same thing. And I don't know, like how this whole thing can be perfectly be handled, but as a individual person, maybe you have to keep, it's not maybe question, sorry, it should be a priority that your happiness is on at the top level. Because definitely, if you're not expecting somebody else to make you happy, I think you should also not live in this expectation that you have to keep everyone else happy, right? Just do what is best for you, along with, it shouldn't, whatever that you're doing for yourself shouldn't harm yourself at any cost and shouldn't harm anybody else as well, right? But yeah, these are like two things which are like same. It's almost like what do you say, two sides of a same coin, wherein you are not supposed to be dependent on others to create happiness for you, At the same time, you shouldn't be the only source of happiness for somebody else, because you will always be under pressure of keeping everyone at ease, and that pressure will make you unhappy. So, like, there will be all this disbalance. You're not expecting anything from anybody else, but everybody else is expecting from you, and you are feeling the load right now. So yeah, try to find that balance wherein it's not you're not putting yourself always down. Okay, somewhere down the line, try taking small steps to see that, making others aware that, see, I'm not expecting anything from you all, so better don't expect 100% things from me as well, in terms of keeping you all, at all happy and all good place. So let them also take up their own responsibility of their own happiness, and you concentrate on what makes you happy, right? So yeah, I'll leave you all with this, and have a great week ahead. Bye bye.